Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. My name is Florencia, by the way. Hi, how are you? Anyway, we're gonna use this Take Me Back to Brazil palette from the I'm sorry, BH Cosmetics, and we're gonna use these yellows. So I wanted to focus on a yellow eye look with some crazy lashes and some glitter and very glowy matte. Well, a glowy eye and a matte face, but with highlight, you know what I mean? Anyway, so I'm just taking my transition color, which is gonna be like a mustardy color right on the crease before we get to the crazy yellow on the lids. And I'm using a pretty dense brush. This is a Real Technique ones. Just to pack it in, and then we're gonna go with a finger. That way you see it makes it way brighter and more pigmented that way. I was watching Paramore's new music videos, and I love watching the band live because the the frontman, which will be Hayley Williams, she loves fashion and crazy eye makeup, and every time I have to check it out, see what they're up to, just so I can look at her makeup. I recommend you do the same if you love crazy makeup because she goes crazy. There's so many crazy looks I want to recreate, so I think I'm gonna make this a little serious, like punk makeup, which is basically like really bright makeup or just like very grungy, just for the eye looks. That way I can have a couple of short tutorials to for you guys, to kind of build my portfolio, I guess you can say. So I have already gotten requests for a purple makeup look, so maybe I will do that next. If you have any requests for any color that you want me to do. And I want to use this palette, by the way, because it's the only palette I have at the time that has all the colors that I need. Most of my palettes are, neutrals. So I was really excited to get this. And it's like super cheap too. I think I paid like 12 bucks for it, or maybe less. So yeah, BH Cosmetics. Take me back to Brazil. I'm gonna start doing this little liner on the tear duct to make it more elongated, like a cat look. I really like that, but you know, you have to be careful because it could just smear everywhere throughout the day, right into your eye, and that's gross. So this white shimmer actually makes it look very holographic, so I didn't want to put too much of it because I wanted it to stay yellow. Honestly, I would love to make this look again because I feel like I can I could have used a much pigmented white cream base so that the yellow will show up more, but yeah, maybe next time. I'm loving this mascara. Everybody needs to get it. Oh my god, I love this palette. It's like the best thing ever, the most expensive thing I own. Actually, I think this and the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, I think they were both around the same price. Yeah, like almost 50 bucks. Kind of crazy. Just intensifying the crease here with that mustard color, mustardy. There's no names on these palettes, so I gotta make them up. These are the Eyler YouTuber series eyelashes. I forgot the girl's name. I suck. I will eventually put it on the info box in the bottom bar. But they're so cheap and they're like faux mink, so they look really nice. Sorry about my nails, by the way. Like, they went through a tragedy, so I need to let them heal and breathe. I realize I'm not really explaining what it is that I'm doing, but I feel like it's pretty self-explanatory. This palette is so pigmented it can get a little crazy, so be careful how much you put on unless. But yeah, there you go guys. Thanks for watching again. I'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe and get notified. Bye!